Mastering Job Hunt Jargon. Land a job, explained. Hello, eager learners and job seekers. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind a very popular phrase in the world of employment. Land a job. Whether you're starting your career, switching professions, or just curious about English idioms, understanding this phrase is key to navigating job-related conversations. So, let's get started and dive into what it means to land a job. Land a job is an idiomatic expression commonly used in English-speaking countries to describe the act of securing employment, particularly after a period of searching or applying. It's akin to successfully completing a journey or mission. But why do we say land and not get? Well, this is where English throws in a twist, employing a metaphor of landing, like a plane smoothly reaching its destination after a flight, to signify achieving the target of finding a job. To fully grasp this phrase, let's break down the metaphor. Imagine a pilot navigating a plane towards the runway. The process involves preparation, skill, and timing to touch down successfully. Similarly, when you land a job, it implies that there was a process involving preparation, like writing a resume, skill, your qualifications and interview technique, and timing, applying when a job was available. It suggests that effort and ability were effectively utilized to achieve the desired outcome. This phrase is versatile and can be used in various contexts. For example, I've been job hunting for months, but I finally landed a job at a great company. Do you have any tips on how to land a job in this competitive market? In both cases, the phrase indicates a successful job search. It's a casual and optimistic way to announce employment or to discuss job search strategies. Understanding land a job also involves appreciating its cultural context. It reflects a proactive attitude towards employment, highlighting personal achievement and the end of a possibly challenging journey. In the corporate culture of English-speaking countries, using such phrases can convey one's familiarity with workplace jargon and can reflect a positive, action-oriented mindset. There are several variations and synonyms that carry the same or similar meanings. Secure a position, snag a role, nail an employment opportunity, bag a job. Each of these retains the essence of proactivity and success in the job hunting quest. Congratulations, you've just landed new knowledge on the phrase, land a job. Whether you're preparing for job interviews or improving your English, understanding such phrases will undoubtedly aid in your journey. Remember, every phrase is a doorway to not just language, but also culture and context. Happy job hunting, and may you land not just a job, but the job of your dreams. Until our next video, keep learning and keep growing. Goodbye for now.